Seems like you're responding a little slowly.
So do you have a magnet on top there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do have a magnet. Yeah. Is it on there?
So just put the zeroing statement in.
Not exactly.
We just changed the motor from last week. Still haven't
Tuned yet?
We got the kinks out yet.
Yeah,
So it looks like you can get about a second or two of balance time.
it's slightly more stable.
We've had to like limit the speed because at sometimes it will get nice and get to nice small angles, but at some points it just kicks out and starts doing this. So it's good if we can keep it kind of in the center. Other than that,
So it's not going to recover from an impulse.
No.
Can you start it from off vertical then?
Last time,
All right, should we, do you want to put a mass on it and see what it does, or?
we can try it.
All right, so what's the mass of your pendulum?
Plus the bottom connection piece, the total is around 35. So it's 21 plus 8 here, so I would say 30.
So you're saying that the wood is 21?
Yeah, the wood is 21, and this piece I calculate is 8.3 grams.
Okay, so put, have you changed any of your lip parameters?
We changed the gain.
And how did you come about getting that value?
Mostly just trial and error.
Because last week we had a aluminum rod which is heavier than this one. Now we are
So you run the maple code, but then you don't have any way of knowing what, if it says increase something, you don't know how much to increase it by here?
When you tuned your original system, did you use PID and MapleSim or
We
LQR
did,
and MapleSim?
and then we found out that they were slightly off, so kind of went for that same slightly off just a bit.
So you said you're using a proportional now, if maple says increase it by 10%, you increase it by 10%, or?
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I'm trying to figure out. You said you used experimental, and then we're trying to figure out, did
It
you
was
use
experimental based on like maple system.
So you had a calibration cost, and if maple says go change this number, then you know that you multiply by K? Is that what you're telling me, or am I trying to read something into it?
Trying to read something into it. It wasn't really that much. We kind of looked at it and it said increase it by so much, and we just increased it, maybe not by so much the same percentage, but we did increase it.
So it does tell you to go up, so you know to go up,
Yeah.
so it doesn't tell you how much, so it's direction only.
Yes.
Okay, so I think it's pretty much the same as before, so is that fair for this evaluation?
It's a bit better. It was a bit better. The last week it was
No, I'm not talking last week, I'm talking without the weight.
Oh yeah, without the weight.
Yeah, so I'm going to say that
Yeah, it's about the same.
it's about the same, okay? So then we can go on to the next team? Is that fair? Yeah? Okay.
also I added a calibration. Last week you told me I need to add calibration into MapleSim.
So, I mean, your cart seems plenty fast. What do you think the problem is?
I think I need a position sensor.
What are you sensing position with?
We're not.
You're not.
Yes. That's why we need a position. We were hoping
you can move
to get
back a little
to
bit,
oscillate
please,
back and forth in here, but
So, but I mean, for this 8 out of 10, for the card, you're not sensitive.
no.
But for this, you are?
Yes.
Yeah, I was just going to say yes. So, what are you using to sense the position of the pendulum?
A magnetic sensor.
Magnetic sensor. And,
But there is some fluctuation with it where you can hold it like this and sometimes it will just kick out.
so what do I see on the scope over here?
Oh, no, this is the PWM signals.
What's the bottom one?
Bottom one is one signal, top one is, well, one's one left and one's right.
Okay, left and right.
Yeah, it's about the same as before. It's changing the PID values, it changes it a bit, but not enough to compensate.
So it seems to me that your card's pretty fast, you're just not getting the feedback information that you like.